Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video I have plastic model kit. It's not die cast. First I want to complain. All plastic model kits, the box is so big. And inside you have a lot of plastic. I removed them because I've done this car halfway. It's a Subaru Legacy touring wagon, Japan Automobile Federation, JAF. You see, there is no mention that this car is a Subaru. But we know. Okay, a lot of plastic inside. When you are done with your model, you are left with a lot of plastics, things like this, Now I'm halfway done on this car. This is the car. I have yet to fix the hood, the front bumper goes in like this. Add the glue. There's the hood here. The rear bumper. Now I'm not going to be painting this in the JAF livery. It's too tedious. I have to paint just the front part and the roof blue, and you need the right kind of blue, which difficult to find. So I'm going to leave it white, unpainted. I just paint the rear lights using marker pen, permanent marker. You paint on the plastic, and there's this, even though it looks not so nice, but you cover it with this plastic and it looks shiny and perfect. Another part that I would need to paint will be the pillars black, but that is easy. So, work in progress. No engine detail because there's this big piece here. I'm not sure why. And like I said, continuing my complaint, this is the box. And this is the car. So this is just not even half of the box. But it's what it is, because model kits, you have to break down the parts and you have to lay them on the box. And it has to be big to allow room and space to avoid, I don't know, damage. What about all this plastic? Throw them away. I can store the car. Wrap it up, so in case there is any parts that fall, it's in the plastic. So tell me what you think. Do you prefer die cast or plastic model kit? I prefer die cast, but I can do plastic model kit. not professional, but can do. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.